Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making mac and cheese. This is extremely creamy and extremely delicious. This is mac and cheese with a whole new experience. I hope you guys try this recipe. So these are the list of the ingredients, and they will also be in the description box along with the measurements. So let's jump right into this video. There I would have melted my butter on really low heat. Then I'm going in with my all-purpose flour. We are going to whisk this until it becomes really light. And I'm doing it a little darker today because I wanted to have a little bit of nuttiness to the mac and cheese. Then we are going to add our milk and our half and half. Alright, we want to ensure all the lumps in the flour has dissolved, and we will continue to mix. Then we are going to add our black pepper and salt, and we are going to whisk that in and taste. Alright, so when it is nice and smooth, we allow this to cook down for about 7 to 8 minutes. When it is nice and thick, you can go in with some shredded gouda cheese that I had sliced at the time, so by all means. We're going to whisk that in. When it dissolves, I am going to add my cheddar cheese. My favorite cheddar cheese is the Vermont cheddar. Absolutely love Vermont cheddar cheese. Alright, so we are going to whisk that in until it dissolves and become really nice and rich. It has this really rich golden looking color, nice and smooth. Look at that, guys. Absolutely amazing. So I am actually using the elbows pasta, which I boiled. Now you can use this or whichever macaroni you want to use. I'm going to mix that well. Then I grease a Pyrex dish and I'm going to pour that in. Now before I did this, guys, I did add additional smoked Gouda cheese. You can add more or less, your choice. All right. This looks so delicious. I can't tell you what I did with the bowl, but yeah, you get the idea by now. All right. Absolutely amazing. And I do have another video on my channel for the ultimate smoked Gouda cheese sauce. You guys need to check that out. All right, so we're gonna bake this until it becomes nice and brown to the top, which I like. And it actually takes about 25 minutes in a 350 degrees oven. So do not forget to subscribe and share this video. See you guys in the next one.